can do something.
Hello e-bike community, welcome back. This short video is a failed attempt of doing a wheelie on a Zugo Rhino e-bike. Spoiler alert, I fell off the bike. I was working on reviewing the Zugo Rhino, got bored, saw an empty lot, and took the opportunity of trying to wheelie. I must have at least tried 20 times. Comment below if you know what I am doing wrong. I think I am jumping more than leaning back my weight. Kids, do not attempt this at home, especially without a helmet. I did this on a whim and thankfully had no injuries or damages. In any case, if you find this entertaining, kindly like and subscribe to support the channel. See you next time.
I can do something.
NANI?!
I did a wheelie.
That was a fail.
Did you see that?